Big girl bike. What's today, Irene?
Christmas.
And whose bike is that?
Mine.
Woo. Where are you gonna ride?
Around the block.
Ooh, that's a big girl thing to do.
This training wheel is picking up like this.
It's supposed to. You know why?
Why?
Helps you to learn to balance. You ready? Here comes Daddy. Let's go that way.
Okay.
You ready?
Let's go up the hill, babe. Turn around up the hill.
There
Gotta
she
work.
goes.
Push it. Yeah. Now you know it feels like go up the hill. Once we get up here, though, it'll be easy. Once we get up to the stop sign, it'll be easy.
Okay, picking up speed.
Nice work, girl. Look at you.
Kind of blustery.
What you really want is the sort of the toes of your feet on the pedals. Toes, not the heels. You want to get the front of your foot on the pedals. Once we get up here, you'll figure it out. Take a right here at the stop sign towards Olius. Turn to the right. Turn to the right, it'll get easier. There you go.
There she goes. Whoopsie.
Whoopsie.
Oopsie. Crash and
First fall.
burn.
It's your first fall. Everybody has one.
How you doing? Thumbs up? Okay.
Remember, you got your brakes too. If you start going somewhere